said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Just leave it there. Our spaces. Hello Richard, how do you feel about bench maps?
Fuck off, Tom.
So we've had a Mitsubishi Colt CZT in this morning and it's had a bench map on it. So these are the differences between a safe custom map with Ecotech software and a bench map. Now obviously the figures indicate that we've made some power there, but what's most importantly, which isn't shown on this graph, is that the car came in incredibly lean on the bench map, which was unsafe, and the customer had actually removed a manual boost controller. It looks like the previous tuner had fitted a manual boost controller to overcome a boost leak that we indicated on the health checks. So once we'd fixed the boost leak from the health checks and we mapped it, this is what we've got. So no need for a manual boost controller, especially when the car was running insanely lean. So we've definitely saved this one. So really happy with that. Good results, normal stage 1 sort of results, 202 brake and 219 foot-pound of torque. The car's got some modifications, it's got a pre-cat delete, still on the standard airbox, got a front mount intercooler. So yeah, it's done pretty well. Job well done.